Hey, this is Steve from B&M Performance and Off-Road. Today I'd like to introduce our Hi-Tek deep aluminum transpans for the Allison 1000, 2000, and 2400 series transmissions. These are commonly found on the 2001 to 2018 GM 2500 and 3500 series trucks. These Hi-Tek transpans not only look good, but they add an additional 2.5 quarts of fluid capacity, are constructed from A356 aluminum alloy, and designed with external cooling fins. All these features help dissipate the heat much quicker than the stamped steel OEM transmission pans, keeping the temps down. This is especially important if you do a lot of towing, off-roading, or have done a lot of engine mods, which generate a lot of heat in your transmission, and heat is your transmission's enemy. Additional features include a magnetic drain plug that's going to catch ferrous metals. We also went ahead and added a temperature sensor port so you can have a fluid temperature gauge. The transpans come in two different finishes. You get the black anodized finish or you got the natural finish. And like all of our pans, they feature a B&M logo cast in this pan. Since these are deep pans, we also include a filter extension along with all the necessary hardware for an easy installation that you can do in about an hour. Be sure to check out some of our other great products such as supercoolers, shifters, torque converters, and more. All Hi-Tek B&M transpans are covered by B&M's lifetime limited warranty, protecting your investment and giving you peace of mind. Be sure to subscribe to our B&M YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.